are you? I am Afif. I am back with a new video. So today I am unboxing my new router. So let's start the video. So here is my new router. So like this, my new router, and this is wireless router model blah blah. So here we go. This is my router. That is rest power. Here a button, and then here a power button, and then this is I don't care. So maximum coverage like this, and futurist all this. So let's start unboxing. So here and so hard. One done. I don't know how. So how can I open this? So hard, guys. Finally open this. What about next? Wow! So cool. Guide, I don't care. This is the main thing ever. And the design is so cool. Wow. I see this. What about this? Power.
What?
Power. Here. That will be plugged in. Power. We can also buy this. And the price is 1,400 taka. So I am here in Bangladesh, and here